Welcome to the awe-inspiring world of one-in-a-billion moment in nature, where the ordinary transcends into the extraordinary. Join us as we delve into the depths of the wild, capturing fleeting moments of wonder that leave us breathless and spellbound. I wonder why this tree can live. A scene inside an ice cave. Caves' natural artifacts always bring us many surprises. Looking at the sky right now, it looks like a battle between fire and water. Is this the train to hell? Few people can witness the scene of a volcanic eruption at this close distance. A lonely lighthouse before the powerful waves coming from the sea. Luckily, there was no boat directly above it. So lucky for them,